Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be about the Once Upon a Time palette from Sephora. I got this for Christmas from one of my dear friends. We gave late Christmas gifts. I'm gonna open it up. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up inside. It's cute. Little flap. And I'm pretty sure you're supposed to bend it and whatever. And these are the colors that are inside. They're really nice. I am most likely gonna attempt, as I say, to do a makeup tutorial maybe using this. Not quite sure. I've never done a makeup tutorial, so we will see. But yeah, so the colors are really nice. They're neutral. It comes with, oh, and then it has like, shows you how to do different things. I think it's just one. It just teaches you how to do a smoky eye. And then how to apply blush and contour. This has a blush and a contour? Oh, it does. This is the highlight, the blush, and the contour. These are the palettes. They have a few matte and a few shimmers, which, very nice. And yeah, this is a cute little gift. I'm a little nervous to do this video because I've never done a makeup tutorial before. Right now I just have mascara, a little bit of eyebrow pencil, and a little bit of foundation. Not too much because I'm not a fan of caking my face on with foundation. So this is going to be so interesting, guys. Oh, alright, we're going to try it. Okay, so foremost, again, I've never done a makeup tutorial before, and I'm going to use the little mirror that's on here, which is going to be a big mistake because I don't have glasses on and I'm blind as a bat. Like, super blind. Like, I can't see. So this is I'm going to use my Anastasia brush. My sister got me this beautiful Anastasia set, but I'm going to use this brush because I love the way it goes on. So let's see. Let's follow the instructions to see how easy it is to use. It says apply a light nude tone over the entire upper eyelid. Alright guys, I am going to choose, I'm going to choose this one right here. Alright. Then it says, now lay a delicate veil of shimmer shade for a bewitching sparkle. Let's see. What is closer to that one? Oh, okay, I'm going to do that one. Brush off my brush. Yeah, I use the same brush. What? Not going to be like, I'm not a professional. And I'm not going to be like, oh yeah, I have this 5670 brush from blah, blah, blah. No, I don't have that. I do not have that at all. I have this brush that I like a lot, and it works. Alright, then it says, dun, 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 start by opening up your eyelid. Start by opening up your eyes with a dark eyeshadow applied to the outer corner of your eyes. Let's see, I'm wearing green. Should I do green? Yeah, I'm going to do green. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this green. And then I'm going to switch it to this brush. This is my, what is it, a crease brush? I don't know. This is a tutorial for beginners. So don't follow me if you're a beginner. Ooh, that is intense. Oh, I didn't pat down my brush before I did this. Nope, I have to blend that. I wonder how many cringe-worthy things I'm doing right now. Probably a lot. Have to blend it in. At least I know that. Okay. Then it says, then apply a darker shade like eyeliner along the upper lashes. So I love how they say that, but they only give you brown really to work with to do that. I guess I could do the green. I could just do it darker. I'm going to do the green. Yep, I'm going to do the green. Nope, I'm not going to do the green. That's a bad idea. Now I have to do that, whatever I did over here. I'm actually not going to follow that last step of instruction because I can't do it. Now it says to contour. I don't like the formula in this palette. I guess I'm stuck. I've been spoiled with Anastasia. I'm going to move on to this side. Apply a light layer of bronzing powder under your cheekbones. Then it says sweep some blush over your cheekbones. Then lastly, illuminate your face by dusting highlighter over the top of your cheekbones. So if you don't know how to do that, oh, wrong brush. This is my one brush that I use. All I do is this and hope that all the stuff is off. So we're going to do, this is the bronzer apparently. It's like a yellow. Let's see how that works. Interesting. I'm used to like a brownish color, not like a yellowish, but. And also I don't have, like I said, I don't have glasses on. So this is a disaster waiting to happen. Yeah, disaster waiting to happen. That is way too harsh. Way, way, way too harsh. Way too harsh. Alright, well. The damage has been done, guys. The damage has been done. Then I'm going to do a little bit of highlighting. Oh, this highlighter goes on nice. Should I have done blush first? I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to do blush first. Yeah, well, this is Makeup Tutorial by a Beginner. And this blush is like an orangey tone. So, we'll see how well that works on my skin. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I do not want to highlight my face, the rest of my face, but I probably will. Just cause. And yeah. And that is my face. And that was my first ever makeup tutorial using the Once Upon a Time palette by Sephora. And that's how my face looks. And yeah, I know I'm going to laugh at myself when I watch this video, but yeah, maybe you'll see what not to do on your face after watching this. So yeah, like always, like and subscribe for more videos. I promise you I'm probably won't do any more makeup tutorials unless you comment down below and tell me, yeah, I should try doing other makeup tutorials if you like the way my face looks. Also, my lips are Anastasia Dead Roses, and my mascara is It Cosmetics, and so are my eyebrows. The It Cosmetics pencil. So yeah, like always, like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching and bearing with me. And hopefully laughing at me or with me. Alright, bye guys.